Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 27th of January 2023. Let's talk about Bitcoin Cash. Trying to see if the market has the potential to 2x over the next couple of months. You guys can already tell that I predicted that the market in Bitcoin Cash was going to continue to trend higher, and that is exactly where we are today. So congratulations to those who also saw the video, who also thought the same way, that the price in Bitcoin Cash was going to continue to trend higher, because here we are today. You guys can see I did a video on the 19th of January, so here it is on the 27th. If you work out the market right now, we are up 11%. But 2 days after I did the price prediction, you guys can tell 5.5% was garnered soon after I did the price prediction. So let's go ahead and take this out the way. Another thing I wanted to talk about is how price in Bitcoin Cash has traded above our resistance line, which is around $128. Okay, so now we need to talk about, obviously, the price is trying to go higher than that. Obviously, the buyers are aiming to move this price exceedingly higher above 128. This is the current area of resistance right now. Okay, you guys can see it's around $138, 140. Let's just round it off. That is the current area that buyers are unable to see Bitcoin Cash trade above. Now, if they're going to aim and continue to fight and try to move this market up, then this $138 is not going to be a problem. So we may need to lift this up a little bit higher in Bitcoin Cash. What do you think? To this area. Okay, right around here. That takes us to, 147, $147 to 150, and then top it off with, we're still trending higher into the market in Bitcoin Cash. So let me clean up the chart, because I want us to focus in on these two lines right here, because this is the area to which we're going to continue to aim and look for price to go. Because I'm here to tell you now, the price in Bitcoin Cash is still looking bullish. It still looks as if the buyers are controlling the price action. And I wanted to show you here on the 3-day chart, because in the next 12 hours, you guys can see how strong the market currently is in Bitcoin Cash. Because on the prior 3 days, take a look, that was selling that came into the market the prior 3 days. But for us to see price still trending higher lets me know that the buyers are still there, that they're willing to buy Bitcoin Cash, and that they find that $136 is a valuable price to buy it. Okay, so now let me go ahead and put this on the chart, because this is going to be a real simple, easy video, because you guys can see how strong this particular current market action is in Bitcoin Cash. Nothing has garnered any trend change from what the buyers have done since the beginning of the year. This trend is still intact. We've seen bouts to where sellers try to come through, like right here on this 5-day price bar. Sellers try to push down the price in Bitcoin Cash, but they failed. Again, sellers are trying to push down Bitcoin Cash. Currently, they're failing. The sellers are. So I'm just going to simply play another price prediction, looking for Bitcoin Cash to continue to trend higher. Okay. Now I am going to throw a caveat in my price prediction though, because like I said, this area right here is resistance. Okay, 138. So that will have to be a simple, easy price level that we need to anticipate some problems. We could see sellers there at 138 willing to push back down the price in Bitcoin Cash. That's the current issue for the buyers, is trying to take out all the sellers around $138. So that's going to be my first price target. My second one is going to be all the way up here towards $147. Okay. And then third, let's just say that the market continues its trend, the overall market. Then I'm going to look for price in Bitcoin Cash to come up here towards like 157, 160. And that's 17% move. Now we got a couple of issues to cross before we see the market run all the way up to 157. So it's going to be a couple of days, in my opinion, for price to continue to trend higher. So if it doesn't happen immediately, we already know why, but we do know that as long as the price in Bitcoin Cash holds this trend line, price will inevitably go up. All right. So these are my price targets. Again, 138 is the first price target. The second one is 146, 147, and then the third is up there around $157. Okay. Now, just look at this on the monthly chart, and you guys can see that it is doable for us to see price in Bitcoin Cash do a 2x, but we're building the market energy to allow that to happen right here. Okay, so once the market comes through and buys up all of the selling down here at these cheap prices, that is when we're going to see Bitcoin Cash give us the 2x. Okay, so this is the current process now that the market is going through to make such a situation happen. Now, let's not get complacent, because the market is still overall in a downtrend. We haven't broken this overall downtrend yet. We're still trading within the trading channel. You guys can see it on the monthly chart that this market hasn't actually broken out substantially in Bitcoin Cash. See that? We haven't seen price break out of these two lines, and it's been what, since June 2022. So we're still trending within the trading channel. I know a lot of hype is being created on YouTube and other social media platforms, but let's relax. The market is still trading in the trading range for Bitcoin Cash. All right, that's it. I'm done. Go ahead and give me your thoughts though about Bitcoin Cash. If you guys want to join, go ahead and hit that like button instead of and also subscribe. I'm not going to come through and hype you all up on these cryptocurrencies. I'm all about the charts. I'm here to make sure that we are seeing some reasonable things and actually profit in situations to where we can actually attain, and not give you all some outlandish price target, price predictions. That's ridiculous. So you guys want to join me? I'm here. If not, I understand. There's a lot of other channels that you guys can get your hype clicks from. But for us, we want to walk through this market and actually see what's going on. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.